Did you have a good day? What are you doing?
What you doing, little duck? Quack, 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 quack.
I'm a what? What were you going to say? You're a chicken.
I'm a turkey talker.
You're so funny. You're not a chicken, you're a turkey talker?
You're a turkey talker.
You're so funny. I thought you said you were a duck. Are you sure you're not a duck? Are you a little duck? Oh, you want to kiss me instead, huh? Do you have kisses? Oh, I love you, my little duck.
I'm a little duck. Quack, 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 quack.
Oh, you're so sweet. I'm a chicken. Do you know what a chicken says? What does a chicken say?
You're so cute.
You're so smart. I think you're pretty smart. You know what a chicken says, you know what a duck says, and you even know what a turkey says. What's a turkey say? What does a turkey say? You know? Do you remember? You turkey. What's your turkey say?
Hi.
Hi. Hi. Hi, love bug.
What you doing, little duck? Quack, 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 quack. I'm a chicken.
Oh, now you're a chicken? I and the turkey says gobble 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 gobble. What's it? Gobble, gobble, gobble.
You're so cute.
Oh, you're so cute. You're a funny little bird. Yeah? What you want to do today? You want to go outside? Should we go out? Should we go? All right. Should we go? You ready to go? Ready to go? All done? Should we go outside? What you think?
Huh? You're so funny. You're so...
Oh, you're so funny. I love you. I love you, my little friend. All right, let's go outside. Okay? All right?
All right.